What powers the world's most innovative electric vehicles? It's not just sleek design or futuristic software, it's the battery. And Tesla's Gigafactory is where the magic happens. Step inside this high-tech facility and discover how Tesla builds the heart of its cars, lithium-ion batteries, at a scale and speed that's rewriting the rules of manufacturing. In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla's Gigafactory, where raw materials are transformed into advanced battery cells through cutting-edge automation and engineering precision. From raw lithium to fully charged battery packs, we'll uncover how this state-of-the-art facility powers everything from Model 3s to Powerwalls, and why it's changing the future of energy. It all begins with essential materials like lithium, nickel, cobalt, and graphite. These are delivered and processed into fine powders, which are mixed and coated onto ultra-thin metal foils. The Gigafactory uses dry electrode coating, an energy-efficient technique that Tesla says improves performance and cuts costs. Once coated, the foils are dried and rolled into massive sheets. These are sliced, stacked, or rolled into cylindrical or tabless cells using precise robotics. Tesla's new 4680 cell design, manufactured here, offers higher energy density, faster charging, and lower cost per kilowatt hour. Each battery cell goes through electrolyte filling and formation cycling, where they're charged and discharged to stabilize performance. Advanced AI systems run diagnostics on every single cell, checking for quality, voltage, and thermal behavior to ensure safety and reliability. The cells are then grouped into modules and assembled into packs, complete with cooling systems and battery management software. These packs are tested again before being installed into Tesla vehicles or stored for solar energy systems. Love tech, innovation, and engineering marvels? Give this video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more epic factory tours and deep dives into the future of technology.